I am so blessed and thankful to be back and able to create content for you guys. God is so amazing. I like to thank all of our existing subscribers and new subscribers for all the incredible support you have shown on our channel. We really appreciate it. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. My name is Deborah, and please consider subscribing to our channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this stunning rainbow balloon art that will be the perfect addition to any party or celebration. It is super easy and fun to make. So let's dive right in. To create the rainbow balloon arch, you will need to create 3 balloon garlands, a large, medium, and small. You will need a balloon pump. I highly recommend using an electrical balloon pump. It will save you lots of time and energy. You will need 6 balloons, 4 and 11 inches or 12 inches, and 2 and 5 inches, 20 of each colors of your choice. I will be using the traditional rainbow colors, Fashion Orange and 11 inches by Sempertex, Fashion Red 11 inches by Sempertex, Fashion Lime Green 11 inches by Sempertex, Fashion Yellow 11 inches by Sempertex, Fashion Lilac and 5 inches by Sempertex, and Fashion Blue 5 inches also by Sempertex. And you will need a balloon sizer for accurate sizing. I first will begin by inflating the orange balloon and size it down to 7 inches, and the red balloon and size it down to 8 inches by pressing them up against the 7 and 8 inch holes of my balloon sizer box and slowly releasing the air until they just fit through, and tie them off. I will then tie them together, creating a duplet, and I will continue this process until I have created 20 of these duplets to create the large garland. I will then repeat the process with the lime green, sizing it down to 5 inches and the yellow down to 6 inches. I will then tie them together, creating a duplet, and I will continue this process until I have created 20 of these duplets to create the medium garland. And finally, I will size the lilac down to 3 inches and the blue down to 4 inches and tie them off. I will tie them together, creating a duplet, and I will continue this process
until I have created 20 of these duplets to create the small garland. Now that all the duplets are created, I will build the first garland to show you guys how it all fits together. I am using 260Q balloons to attach the duplets. You can use string of your choice. I am just pushing all the air out of the 260Qs to allow me to stretch the balloons even more and tie them together into a knot. I tied the first duplet onto one end of the 260. I then took the second duplet and placed it on top of the first duplet. When you place the second duplet on top of the first duplet, don't push down too tight. If you do, it will turn into a quad of 4, and we don't want that. So push down lightly with a little bit of tension on the 260Q. Wrap it around once and then repeat the opposite way, alternating between left and right, keeping one color on one side and the other color on the other side. So we have all the blue on the left side and all the lilac on the right side. And as we build the garland, it will curve naturally. So just keep adding a little tension on the 260. The key is not to pull too tight to get a uniform look. Keeping all blue to the left and all lilac to the right. As you can see, it's starting to create your rainbow form. If you make this mistake, just unwrap the duplet and place the colors in their correct order. This is my second time creating this rainbow arch, so bear with me, guys. But I must say my very first time creating this rainbow arch turned out beautifully. Continue alternating between the left and right side of the garland to create a balanced look. As you can see, the garland has a natural curve. Once you have reached your desired length for your arch, wrap the 260 around a couple of balloons in the garland and let it go. And there you have it, a naturally curved garland of 2 sizes. And I repeated the exact same step, creating the large and medium garland. Okay guys, now that all 3 garlands are created, as you can see, I laid them flat on the floor to secure each garland together using the rubber band method. So take your rubber band and wrap it around the blue balloon and connect it to the green balloon. Repeat the same thing to the other balloons. It's not necessary to join all the balloons. Place a rubber band every 2 or 3 balloons. Let's continue doing the same to the other balloons. Wrap the rubber band around the yellow balloon and connect it to the orange balloon. And continue in the exact same manner, placing a rubber band every 2 or 3 balloons. And there you have it, a nice and sturdy rainbow balloon arch. What's a rainbow without some fluffy clouds, right guys? To connect the clouds to the rainbow, wrap rubber bands around balloons in the clouds and attach them to the balloons on each side of the rainbow. If you would like to learn how I make these clouds, the video tutorial will be linked up in the right corner of this video. To hang the rainbow, I wrap fishing line around one of the balloons on each side of the rainbow and tie tightly both ends of the fishing line, creating hoops, and connected them onto the adhesive hooks. Before applying these adhesive hooks, make sure to put down painter's tapes to protect your walls. Once your rainbow balloon arch is securely hung, stand back and admire your beautiful rainbow balloon arch. It's sure to be the centerpiece of your party and will delight all your guests. And there you have it, a gorgeous rainbow balloon arch that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY ideas inspiration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. And until next time, you guys stay blessed and we will see you in our next video. Bye.